If you're a resident of Karnataka, there's going to be a garbage tax now in the state. So after, in many ways, the hike that we have seen in other issues, for example, milk and other civic concerns, now there's going to be a garbage tax in Karnataka. Even before we are talking about tariff wars of Trump, Bengaluru will have to pay for the waste recycled. Clearly a new tariff every day in many ways. There's been a hike in milk, hike in water, hike in electricity prices, now pay for the garbage collection. Now this is specific to Bengaluru is what we are told right now. But remember, the question is, yes, Karnataka is facing a massive cash crunch, and is this the way to go? Let's try and understand. Sagai Raj is joining me from Bengaluru on this. Sagai, what would be a garbage tax? Is it new for Bengaluru? What is it going to be? Because I'm wondering if you're a resident of a city of Bengaluru, which is anyway so expensive right now, comes in a tax on garbage also?
No, this particular decision was taken by the BBMP, and this particular charges will be very minuscule. If you notice that if you are having a plot of 1,200 square feet, and if they are charging around 400 rupees per year, so it will be divided within those apartments. For an example, one house has to pay around 10 or 20 rupees for a garbage cess for a year. So this will be calculated according to houses, not according to the plot. So the entire plot will be around, say, around 400 rupees or around 1,200 square feet. And for that, this will be divided within the apartment, like how many houses are there, and it will be calculated. So this will not pinch as much as the prices of, say, a bus fare hike or a milk prices which has been increased. So definitely it will be charges on the property tax where the people have to pay. This will be added money in the property tax, but still it will not pinch as much as how it is going to hurt when you are buying a milk or when you are paying your electricity bill, where the charges are increased in Bengaluru.
All right, keep tracking all the latest on that, and we'll try and get some views from the public as well about what do they have to say about these constant hikes that are happening in different sectors in Bengaluru specifically.